Hello students, we are continuing with develop good habits. Now in this video we will discuss best time to develop habit. You can see in the book they have shown there is discussion between a student and a teacher. A student asks question from the teacher, when should I begin to acquire good habits? Before giving the answer, teacher asks, how old are you? Then the student give answer, 10-year-old ma'am. Then what the answer given by the teacher? You are 10 years late. Why she has given this answer? Reason being is that most of the habits are formed at a very early age. When one is young, it is easy to acquire a habit, and it is up to us to recognize and adopt good habits. Even if we accidentally acquire bad habit, they should be immediately removed. The habits we form at an earlier age ultimately shape our character. Now, what are the 10 good habits we should adopt in our life? First, be an early riser. That getting up early in the morning and spending time for studies is really a good habit. Freshness of body and mind in the morning will improve learning power. Second, do some exercise. A few simple exercises in the morning can make us active and ready for the day. Be cheerful. Well-being is half done. Thus goes the saying, it is very true when it comes to having a joyful day, and everybody want to be spent full day with the joyfulness. For that purpose we have to adopt these 10 good habits in our life. Cleanliness matter. We should always give high importance to cleanliness of our body and dress. It will make us confident, happy and satisfied. If you see anybody wear dirty clothes, nobody like to talk with that person. So that's why, and to keep our body healthy, we should keep ourselves clean. Punctuality. Time is a precious gift because once lost, it cannot be regained. Therefore, always try to be punctual. Be calm and composed. To the calm and composed means not to be worried, tensed and restless. Whether at home or school, we should learn to avoid unnecessary restlessness. Be responsible. In fact, many things depend on how well we perform the responsibility. Happiness and satisfaction are also naturally created when we carry out our responsibilities and duties. Be smart. To be smart means to enjoy what we do. Those who are smart will energetically involve themselves in various activities. So you should take part in various activities so that you become active, and automatically when you are active, you adopt all that good habits in your life. Give up addiction. When we become too much interested in something, we become addicted to it. Avoiding such addiction will help us to succeed in life. As you are able to see in this picture, one boy is playing video games. This is a type of addiction. So we should not addict such sort of games. Outdoor games are better than this sort of games. Have a timetable. Having a timetable will help us to make the maximum use of available time. Now we will continue with the question answers. But you will do all the answers in the book only. First question, what do you know about good habits? First answer, the good habits are those which help us to achieve great things in life. Question second, B part. What do you know about bad habits? B part. The bad habits are those which make life dull. C part. What is the advantage of being an early riser? An early riser develops freshness of body and mind in the morning, which improve learning power. D part. Having a personal timetable is very useful. Explain. D part. A personal timetable will help us to make the maximum use of the available time. True false. Good habits are easily acquired. False. Bad habits cannot be easily given up. True. We should not be addicted to anything. True. Now, first we will do this my habits. My good habits, my bad habits, good habits I want to acquire. You have to write your good habits, any four, then your bad habits, any four, and good habits you want to acquire, any four. I will give you the idea that which sort of good habits you can write. As my good habits, first I am early riser, second punctual, third responsible, and fourth calm. In my bad habits, first have no timetable, second not cheerful, third addicted to video games, fourth not interested in outdoor games. Good habits I want to acquire. First, set a timetable. Second, try to become cheerful. Third, avoid playing video games. Fourth, involve myself in various activities. All these things you will write in the book only. See this picture. This picture is related to some of the points which already we discussed in this chapter. Now you can write your own view, your feeling related to the good habit which is depicted by this picture. I will give you the idea that in which way you have to write. The action of this girl represents that she is trying to acquire a good habit, that is to study for maximum period of the available time. There are chances that bad habits of watching television can follow her and she can acquire it accidentally. In this way, you have to write your own views, what you feel after watching this picture. Okay, so all that things you have to write in the book.